Quinoa, often hailed as a superfood, is a nutrient-dense grain that has been cultivated for thousands of years. Originally from the Andean region of South America, quinoa is a complete protein source, containing all 9 essential amino acids, and is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Its impressive nutritional profile and numerous health benefits make quinoa a versatile and valuable addition to any diet. Here are the 14 proven health benefits of quinoa. Complete protein. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods that provide all 9 essential amino acids, making it an excellent protein source for vegetarians and vegans. Rich in fiber. High in dietary fiber, quinoa aids in digestion, promotes regular bowel movements, and helps prevent constipation. Heart health. Quinoa's high fiber content and beneficial fats help lower cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Blood sugar control. With a low glycemic index, quinoa helps stabilize blood sugar levels, making it a good option for individuals with diabetes. Weight management. The protein and fiber in quinoa promote satiety, helping control appetite and support weight loss and management efforts. Gluten-free. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it a safe and nutritious option for people with celiac disease or gluten intolerance. Rich in antioxidants. Quinoa contains antioxidants like quercetin and camphorol, which help fight free radicals and reduce inflammation in the body. Supports bone health. Quinoa is a good source of essential minerals such as magnesium, phosphorus, and calcium, which are vital for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Enhances digestive health. The fiber in quinoa supports a healthy digestive system by promoting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Boosts immune system. Quinoa's rich nutrient profile, including vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, helps strengthen the immune system and protect against illnesses. Improves metabolic health. The combination of protein, fiber, and beneficial fats in quinoa helps improve metabolic health and energy levels. Supports healthy pregnancy. Quinoa is rich in folate, an essential nutrient for fetal development that helps prevent neural tube defects during pregnancy. Promotes skin health. The vitamins and antioxidants in quinoa help maintain healthy skin by protecting against damage from free radicals and promoting skin repair. Versatile and easy to prepare. Quinoa is a versatile ingredient that can be easily incorporated into various dishes, from salads and soups to main courses and desserts, making it a convenient and nutritious addition to any diet.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.